Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make this granny square. I have used different colors in each row, so you can get a multicolored granny square. Another one. Another color variation. Another one. These granny squares are 3 inches in one side is equals 3 inches. It is a square. So you can have, if you make 4 of this, then you have 1 feet. In making a bag, you have to make 34 of these squares. Then you will have a 12 inches by 12 inches by 3 inches bag. Okay, let me show another a small bag done with 2 inches squares. Likewise, you can make a bag using these squares. So to start the work, we have to have the middle part of this square. It is better to use a yellow color. The natural look will come, because the middle part of flowers are mostly can find in yellow color. Here I am using polyester yarn this time, because for bags it is durable. The yarn is much with much strength, and it is good for bags. Okay, and 2 millimeter hook, polyester yarn, 1 millimeter polyester yarn, and 2 millimeter crochet hook. Here, this is the magic ring. After making the magic ring, I have to make 3 chains to get the height of the DCs. Then I will have to make 15 more DCs into the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise, you have to have 16 DCs, including this chain 3 part. So I have made 16 DCs here. Then I have to close the ring, magic ring. To close it, pull with this small part of the yarn. Then the hole will get closed. Then I have to make a slip stitch to the 3rd chain from the beginning 3 chains. Now the 3rd chain from the beginning 3 chains, I have to make a slip stitch. Close again the hole. Then this is the first round of the granny square. Then you have to make the second round. Now it is with 3 double crochets. 3 double crochets are there. So you have to make again 3 chains. Then make into the same place another 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Okay, then you have to make 2 chains and skip one chain here, one DC here, and to the next DC make again 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Again make 2 chains and skip one and make 3 double crochets. Likewise, we have to complete the second round. Yes, now I have finished the last 3 double crochet cluster of 3. Then altogether I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 3 double crochet clusters. Then I have to join to the third chain of the beginning 3 chains. Insert the hook and grab the yarn. Make a slip stitch there. Now you have finished the second round. Then make one chain and cut the yarn. Now the second round is finished. Then join another color. I am going to use a light blue color. Then to any space join the yarn with a knot. By making a knot it is much secured. Then we are going to add 5 DCs into this space. So again make 3 chains to get the height. Then make 5 DCs. Including this, into this space only we need 4 DCs. Two, 3, 4, 5. Then again make 5 DCs into the next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Likewise, you have to complete all these spaces, chain 2 spaces with 5 DCs. Now I have finished the third row. Then I have to use another color, so I have to make 1 chain and cut the yarn. Now we are going to join a green color yarn to represent the leaves. Then to any space in between chain 5 DCs. So in between these 5 DC sets, you have to join the green color yarn with the knot. then make 2 chains, 1 2, then make a half double crochet, make a half double crochet. Again I will show you. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same place, grab the yarn, then there are 3 loops on your hook, release 3 loops at the same time. Okay, then make 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5. Then into the next joint, actually there are no chains here, only just space is there in between these 2 sets. Make 1 DC, then make 5 DCs, 1 2 3 4 5, and make another DC. Again make 5 DCs. Sorry, here I have done incorrectly. Here only 3 DCs, 2 3, then make a double crochet here, so you have to have a chain 3 space here. Half double crochet, 5 chains, 3 inches space, chain 3 space, then 5 chains again, then a half double crochet here, then again 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, and a double crochet, and make chain 3 and another double crochet to the same space, then 5 chains, then 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, a half double crochet, then 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, and into this space make 1 double crochet and 3 chains, and make another double crochet, then 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, and to this space a half double crochet, now make 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, a double crochet, chain, then another double crochet, then again 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, and join to the first half double crochet you made here with a slip stitch. Now this is the third round, 1 2 3 4th round. Okay, then you have to make one chain and cut the yarn to join another color. I'm going to use dark purple color. Now we are going to make these things, that means 5 double crochets into the chain 5 spaces. There should be 2 5 double crochet sets. Then at the corner you have to make 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochet. Likewise you have to complete this side. So join the yarn to any space of 3 double crochets and